might be recording now. It's probably not the ideal time. But yo, what the wickedest earthquake that me ever feel in my life. They come like a 5 earthquake in a one. And the last one actually trigger a tsunami. Like everybody is downstairs now. Like the people in the factory, I feel run out because one factory near my yard. Look pa my head. And that's why wig life not good. You for always tidy. Pam big New Year's Day, you know? One girl there cry out, bombard. Yo, the place come like it never gonna stop shaking, you know. The place come like it never gonna stop shake, Father God. Mighty God, thank you. Thank you, the building never drop. Like literally. Is either yesterday or CM this morning, me I think about one earthquake and me I say, yo, oh, that building I can't manage it because that building I make from 1973. That building I can't manage it. I don't think I know. Like, me get so confused. Me never see that people, see the people around with them bag and things, them a shelter. Me afraid for go back upstairs now for go say, alright, them I'm gonna grab up 2 things. A beer tsunami watch I go off. Everybody phone a ding. I know me no fear record, but things kinda calm down now. Since I know what to. The sea there right over there, saying this. Oh, that me here. This. Oh, that me here. Hear there. Hear the alarm them a go off. The sea there right over there, so like me I try call my mother. Now go through. Me I try call my sister. It a cut off every minute. Like, I need to go upstairs to get my things, but I'm scared to go back upstairs. I not even know how I reach downstairs. I lie, let me tell you. I have my thoughts all over the place. Let me tell you. In a high school, I'm always say you must go out in a open area. So while the place I shake same way, it trickle down and shake little. And I say, no, man, I'm get up and look through the door if nobody outside. And I saw me see people downstairs and I say, oh, may I grab my shoes? I not even remember about my passport. I don't remember about nothing. I don't remember about no money, everything. I just grab up there, see the boot there? A good thing I did in a clothes because I went to adjust my ear. And I saw me fly downstairs. So if I forgot one shelter now, I'll have a blanket. Oh my God, the sea is right over there. Not really close, but the 2011 earthquake was going. How far I see the sea come? Right, I said I know nothing for the sea reach because it not have no hill. I block the water from reaching. It's the biggest earthquake I ever felt in my life. I kid you not. And alarms are still going off for tsunami watch. So me can't go back upstairs and make water go lick down the building with me and them, my love. Oh God. People are still outside. The girl are crying now whenever she alone leave. Oh my God. I want to go upstairs, go pack a bag, but I'm scared. I still have some people downstairs, but jeez, I'm scared. I have a whole heap of vehicles on the move. I don't know if I shelter them or go or what. But whole heap of vehicles on the move out the road. I'm afraid to go back upstairs because I don't think none of my neighbor them upstairs. Why me alone to go back up there? Them house look dark. The Filipino them just a laugh, so it's like them used to this. The Philippines normally get enough quake. Oh God, must stay bad. Jesus, I want to go pack one bag and pick up my passport and them thing there. And my car key, just in case I can drive away if I see no water come. So things kind of calm down now. It's minutes to 8, 7:52. And to be clear, this started sometime after 4 o'clock. I will put the exact time somewhere here. And it's now minutes to 8. It has been constant earthquakes one behind the other, and the aftershocks, they are evident. Of course, the tsunami watch is out. I don't think it will reach me if a tsunami should come. They're predicting 5 meters. I don't think it's gonna reach me based on what my neighbor told me. Even though the tsunami might not reach us, I was told not to stay in my building, not because of the earthquake directly, but because it might cause a fire. Again, I was told that my building is strong enough to withstand the shake, but then there is a possibility of a fire happening. May I try to keep my composure, may I try to be calm, because oh God. So remember in the previous clip I told you guys that I didn't have anything with me. I just had on the clothes and the blanket around my waist. So after being downstairs so long, I decided to go upstairs. I had my family on the phone with me. I went upstairs. I fly over the stairs then, come run, I'm just say I need to get this done and over with quickly. I never get for finish. I couldn't even process, you know, anything that I did plan to pick up, I couldn't think about picking them up. Only whatever I planned from downstairs, all right, then I'm going to go into that room first, and then I'm going to go over that corner, and then I'm going to go there, and I'm going to go there. That's the only thing I could do. When I was doing that, putting clothes in the bag, the place started to shake again, a big one again. I have to fly through the door, run down the stairs. Then some Filipino did there in front of me, but them a laugh. It's like them not take this thing serious. I have to run. And I can't see ground. Remember, I live on the 4th floor. I can't see ground. I come all now. Me not gonna tell you a lie. I was thinking about jumping through the window. Yes, me know me that gonna mash up. But that was the only thing I could have think of at the time, and the Filipino them a laugh in front of me and now move fast. I never want to push them. That not even that come in my mind for push them. I just did that think about getting out. Anyways, that happened. Came downstairs and earthquake still happening. One behind the other. Aftershocks. One behind the other. Enough aftershocks. I decided to talk to a lady because at this point I don't know where the evacuation center is. I don't know nothing. I'm just the outside and at the open. I wait. I moved my car and I started to talk to this lady, and she's Japanese. So she started telling me where the center was and stuff like that, and one thing led to another. She started telling me to be I don't have to worry. She been through the Great East Great, whatever one name, Japan earthquake. It happened in 2011. That earthquake actually triggered the tsunami. The whole world is supposed to know about that earthquake there. So she said she experienced that one before. My lip dry. She said she experienced that one before, and you know, she's just waiting on the second big earthquake to hit before she can leave. That today she tell me that, you know. So me say, all right then, you know, me go roll with she because she know about the things them already. Her husband came down. We went to the convenience store together. Earthquake going in at the convenience store. I grab up my things and I run out of the store. I not pay the people them. I not do nothing. I just grab everything and I run because I say up, top, up I saw ceiling, shelf, everything right above me, and move. So me move just like that. The lady run behind me out of the store. I don't know what she run behind me, I say. Because even when she came outside, me puzzled, like, there in my mind, what she come back into the store for? When I go in there, I not pay the woman. Anyway, I apologize and I give her the money, and she tell me to relax. I am safe, everything is okay. They think it's dancing. Yeah? I give another scenario what happened to the two. We had the stoplight. The warning came on the phone, stay calm, and earthquake is happening soon. The earthquake happened and the car move at the stoplight. the couple in the car, they are laughing. Oh, dancing. Jesus. I don't think nobody understand. When me face today, yeah. Eh? When me face today, yeah. But they showed me where the evacuation center is. I'm outside the evacuation center right now, sitting down. I was inside a while ago looking around and thing. So I'm back here now because where I was at my apartment, other vehicles are there, but I'm not sure if people are inside of them. So it really just me alone outside in the darkness. Somebody right here to know where I'm sure that people are. So it has a lot of floors as well. Just like my apartment. It's very big. I'm still scared of this because if it shake and if anything for drop, that go. But I'm here. I'm going to freshen up in there. I'm just gonna see because I can't go back in my apartment tonight. This a happen for I always know this a happen. You understand? So I'm expecting something bigger to come. When they are telling me that it is 7 point something magnitude earthquake, I know in my mind that it was 11 point something to where me feel. Because oh my gosh. May I try to relax because the whole heap of shaking and moving and me feel hold on even out in nowhere. When I stood in the parking lot and the place I shake, me feel like me never depend nothing. Me feel like me a float. So my body just kind of feel like me a float. You know? So I'm still a process it in my mind like, can you really go through this? You really just experienced this kind of thing a while ago? You have to run through stairs while the building a shake? Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Maga freshen up. So the place is pretty big. See the buildings, really high buildings, and so I don't know how this safe, but this is the ideal evacuation center in Japan. It have to have many floors going up. So this look like some people just are come right there. So because we're still having aftershocks, you know, even after I just the clip that you just saw, when I finished that clip there was an aftershock after that. So thank you. So this would be the lunch area. Worst case scenario, this is where we would have, you know, breakfast, lunch, whatever, dinner. There are some foreigners here. Let me show you guys upstairs. It's a school. So in here was much more crowded than this, but I guess the people are getting, you know, they must have to feel safe now because no more big earthquakes not happen for maybe like an hour now. So them gone home. But I'm still here because Not to tell a lie. I'm afraid bad. I'm afraid. So, where the bathroom there? Okay. This is the bathroom. I still look like one local. I don't know if I say. So I'm gonna freshen up. So a while ago I spoke to one of the disaster preparedness officials, right? And I'm asking me now, is it okay now? Is everything okay? He said that he doesn't think there will be a tsunami. Someone said, what about the quakes? Are we to expect any big quakes again? Him said not big quakes, but aftershocks. So there are still cars here, and it had dwindled down because the place did full, could have hardly find parking lot. So now whoever people are leave is after 8, and I don't know how I'm gonna sleep cause Jaja like, me remember when I did my video, right? Some years ago in 2020, I think. I did my video and packing my bag, my disaster bag, and one Jamaican girl, he said to me, say, girl, well, if an earthquake go on, but you're not gonna need the bag. I remember telling her, say, that are you. That's what you done do. Me I keep my bag. Last year, I mash up the bag. I take out whatever out of the bag when I was moving. Last year, March 2023. Remember, last year seemed just like yesterday, man. It is yesterday. So me take out this stuff them out of the bag and put other things in here. So everything did just get misplaced, and some things I had to throw away. Today when I needed the bag, me in a one predicament. Coming on no bag, me not no emergency nothing. But me definitely I forgot do over a kit, emergency kit. Me I forgot do over one because what happened to me today no cute. Me should have just grab up my bag and go. But you live and you learn, and you don't say you know for take nothing lightly. It doesn't matter if you've just been getting the regular earthquakes and nothing come of it. Just always stay prepared, Kedish. And that me have to tell myself. Cause Jaja, today, this a New Year's greeting, yeah? What we get? No joke. No joke. People them are left. Oh jeez. Hardly any cars here. One of the officials think he might just check the premises, see how many cars are here. 11:06, still feeling tremors, and I'm outside because I'm afraid to go in my apartment. Yeah, that's the apartment over there. Oh Lord, I want to sleep so bad. I came back upstairs because I was so uncomfortable in the car. I was on Google searching all sorts of stuff. Is it safe to stay in the car during an earthquake? and you know, stuff like that. And on top of it, me really want to sleep, even though I know that coming upstairs, me still never had a sleep, but you know, at least. So I came back up and I started to take some things out of the cupboard, like glass things. I checked the place for damages. Well, never really get damaged, but like my blender, it fell off the countertop, dropping at the sink. I had some water spillage in the living room. Wipe that up. Water was in the living room because the apartment was recently painted. So I was trying to get out the paint stain, so the water was in the living room. That spill wasn't a big spill, but you know, the place went up same way. Sleeping, it not really going good. May I dream about it. May I dream about the situation. May I jump up out of my sleep. I didn't take off my clothes. I'm in my same clothes. My phone is in my pocket. My car keys in my pocket. The only thing I took off is my puffer jacket, and it right in front of me. So if anything, I just grab it, grab my shoes through the door. I don't think my door is locked. I didn't lock the door because they are saying that throughout the week we are going to be getting more earthquakes and possibly more tsunamis. So some places got the tsunami, but it didn't come as big as they predicted. It's like 1.2 meters, 80 centimeters, 90 centimeters, stuff, yeah, numbers like those. I only heard of one death so far, closer to where the earthquake really hit. But guys, it has been over 20 earthquakes. Like over 20. Can you imagine that? I'm not exaggerate. Like, it have my brain away. My body feel away. Like, me not grounded. Like, me not depend nothing. As I say, I just feel like me afloat. Even till now. But I'll update you again how may I manage throughout everything. Thank God I don't have work tomorrow because I'm really just tired. I'm out of it. It's morning time and came back downstairs. So let me show you what the car is looking like. And I have a garbage bin, some stuff that I bought last night, and I just left the things in here as I told you. So I'm heading out now to get breakfast. I just want something big, and for tell the truth, I'm scared for I'm telling already, I'm afraid bad. So I need something like really heavy for breakfast, and then later on I'll cook for myself. See, it's back to business. Delivery man out with packages. So it's back to regular business, but we're still getting tremors, like aftershocks. We're still getting all of that. And they're still telling us to be careful and be on the alert for bigger quakes. The ambassador for Jamaica, a representative from their office, reached out to me a while ago. Well, through another friend, they got my number and they contacted me. You know, just making sure that we are okay. If we are not, what do we need, how they can help. And also they said that Kingston needs an update on the people over here. They want to know if the Jamaican community is doing okay. Yes, so far we are all right based on the Jamaicans that I contacted, based on the Jamaicans that I know. Everybody is doing fine. The anxiety though, especially for me, is through the roof because, you know, it's me alone. I'm not sure if any other Jamaican over here like live by themselves and stuff like that, or how, you know, what kind of building them live in, stuff like that. So they've reached out, reassuring that they are there for us for whatever we might need. I'm on the road, as you can see. I came out to get breakfast because I wanted something big and warm, and I just did afraid for going in the kitchen go cook. Honestly, I just no want to stay in the apartment. The truth, didn't want to stay, but the restaurants are still closed today, January 2nd. They're still closed, so I still have to go home, go sort out something. And I'm also on the road looking for a new knapsack to fix up back my emergency kit. As I told you before, it got dismantled, mashed up, back dry, rotten, all of that. So I'm really trying to get it back together today because yesterday was a wake-up call. Stay prepared. Stay prepared. Yeah? So I'm sorting out that, and then I'm gonna go home and see if I can cook, cause road food not do it this morning. And me have to try and get some sleep as well. It might not show up on me, but mighty God, I could not sleep because the aftershocks kept coming. Last update I got, it's over 60. Me honestly think I'm more than that based on what me feel, but it's over 60, and we'll keep that there. Thank God my family, they were on the phone with me, even though they got a little bit scared. Right now everybody want me to leave this place, but we'll see how that goes. We'll see. But this is where I'm gonna end the video. I think I showed you enough from then to now of how I managed through it. I still seem as if I'm living in my car. Yes, a whole heap of things they're over there. So so me gonna tidy up back this, take out the garbage bag, all of them something there, and just, you know, try to feel some kind of normalcy again. But thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you leave a like and also leave a comment with some encouraging words. I need it. Yeah, thank you guys. Bye.